guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Hinky Pinks. It's good to be back. Today I wanted to share with you guys my smoothie recipe. Well, not my smoothie recipe, how I make my smoothies. I know that school has started for basically almost everybody by now, and campus is also about to start in about a few weeks in February, and I know that if you're anything like me, you do not eat breakfast. I don't know, I don't eat breakfast. Even if I have the time, I generally don't eat breakfast. I just rush out the door, and smoothies has become a very good replacement for that. It's very easy to make, it's very quick to make. If you don't have time in the morning to just take all the fruit out of the fridge, cut it up, whatever it is, take an hour or even half an hour out of your Sunday to make little smoothie bags and freeze it up, and in the morning just throw it in your blender with your water or whatever, or however you make your smoothies. Oh, and another big thing, we hit 50 subscribers, guys. I know that it seems really small, but it's really big for me, and I want to thank each and every single one of you who have subscribed, liked and watched this video. I'm so grateful, and I can't wait to see this little Hinky Pinks family grow even more. I will leave all the links down below. Please be sure to follow all my social media. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let's get into it.